welcome to our channel. This is Dylan, this is Naomi, and we're gonna make orange juice today. Make sure to supervise you all the time. Here are the ingredients. You need lots and lots of orange. Make sure to help you cut it out in half. And you need an orange juicer. Now let's start. Dylan, do you want to try first? Yeah. Naomi, do you need to try? Sure. Dylan, do you want to try again? Yep. Naomi, do you try again? Sure. All done. Super duper perfect. Now make sure an adult to help you pour it out on a cup. Some vitamin C for you. It's good for you.
Not yet.
Yummy, yummy. Make sure to drink a lot of orange juice because it's healthy for you and they give you a lot of vitamin C. I hope you guys enjoy our recipe. Please